And I am on the roof.
Just remember that you create your life.
Another day at Del Lago. We are doing a lot of improvements around here, like gardens, you know, solar panels. We've got 3 extra that will power communal kitchen. We got few extra batteries as well. Do I have any experience with solar panels? No. But I think quarantine is a good time to learn, right? And these days, I think that solar is like future thing, you know. Now it's probably the best time to think about it actually. Who knows what future will bring, right? This is the panel. Second one. There's also a third one. And that will go to the roof over there. And I am on the roof. Yeah. It's a bit difficult because stability is just in few places. One is done. That's what's happening when you don't take control of the camera. Okay, job done. Look at this. 1, 2, 3 extra panels. Now let's check if that actually worked.
Whoa, viva! For the first time, this LED starts to blink. It means that batteries are charged to full. So, perfect! The batteries are here. See, 4 of them.